Hey, hello. This is a very special presentation for those people that speak Dutch already and for those people that want to bring their Dutch to a whole new level. If there's one thing that can stand between you and great Dutch, it is that you believe that you understand everything in Dutch already, or that you should understand everything in Dutch already. And nothing could be further from the truth. The only thing is that when most people notice when they don't understand something, instead of feeling excited about it, they only feel negative emotions. And very often they even believe that there's something wrong with them, while nothing, once again, could be further from the truth. So if there's something that you don't understand, the first thing that you could do is that you simply relax. And the second thing is that you're open for new insights. The truth is that if you want to bring your Dutch to a whole new level, all you need to do is to pay a little bit more attention to some smaller details. Because also in Dutch, the devil is in the details quite often. Let me give you an example. We have the word praten. Praten means to talk, so that should be easy. At the same time, we also have uitpraten, we have verpraten, and we have aanpraten. Now, although they look the same, the meanings of each and every word is different, and I'll show you that within a second. For example, uitpraten. Uitpraten shouldn't be too difficult. It has a clear relationship in English with to talk out. It's something you can do in a conflict or a misunderstanding. We moeten het uitpraten. It simply means we must talk so that we can sort it out. If you say this, laat me uitpraten, it means let me finish talking first before you can say something or before you start to interrupt me. The other thing is verpraten, and verpraten in Dutch means that you waste time by talking. I'm not really sure if this word exists in English. So here is an example. Stop, we verpraten te veel tijd. It means stop. We are talking too much. We are wasting our time. And then last but not least, I just want to give you another example, aanpraten. And also the word aanpraten is quite subtle in Dutch. First of all, it means that you sell a product or service that another person does not need. So, for example, sommige consultants willen je altijd nieuwe producten aanpraten. That is that some consultants always want to sell new products to you, even if you don't need them. And here is a second meaning. It can also mean that you convince a person that he or she has a problem, while this is not the case. Here is an example. De psycholoog praat je nieuwe complexen aan. The psychologist is talking to you, and before you know it, you start to think that you have all kinds of complexes, while this is not the case. And by the way, Dutch people love to do it when it comes to speaking Dutch. They love to suggest that somehow Dutch could be too difficult for you. And once again, this is not true at all. There's only one thing that you need to do, and that is don't think too soon. I should understand everything right now. Always relax. And thirdly, just remember that learning is ongoing. It's a continuous adventure, and it can be fun if you know how to do it. So, thank you for listening. If there's something more you would like to discover about learning Dutch fast or speaking a lot better Dutch, then simply go to my website talencoach.nl or dutchflownow.nl, where you can find 2 ebooks with a lot of valuable information. This is Albert Bot, also known as Mr. Dutch Brainwash. Thank you for listening. Dankjewel. Tot ziens.